U says U is for urchin, can you see? Spiky Kina in the sea. Can you spike your fingers out with me? Can you wiggle your fingers like an urchin? Spike, 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 wiggle, 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 spike. That's it. U is for urchin, U is for urchin, U is for urchin. U says V says V. V is for vole, scurry and sniff. Kiore's whiskers swish, swish, swish. Scurry, 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 sniff, sniff, sniff. Can you scurry quickly like a vole? Scurry, scurry, scurry. Quick, quick, quick. Great job! V is for vole, V is for vole, V is for vole. V says V. W says what? W is for Wētā. Can you see Wētā creeping in the tree? Can you creep, creep, creep along with me? Can you creep like Wētā? Creep, 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 creep. Well done! W is for Wētā, W is for Wētā, W is for Wētā. W says woo! X says X. X is for X-ray fish swimming by. You can see him if you try. See-through fishy swimming by. Can you swish your tail like a see-through X-ray fish? Swish, 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 swish. Good job! X is for X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish. X says X. Y says yeah. Y is for yellow-eyed penguin on the shore. Noisy Hoiho loves to explore. Waddle, waddle, waddle on the shore. Can you waddle like a yellow-eyed penguin? Waddle, 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 waddle. Look at you go! Y is for yellow-eyed penguin. Y says yeah. Z says zoo. Z is for zooplankton in the sea. Blob, blob, wobble, wobble, drifting free. Can you wobble, wobble, wobble along with me? Can you wobble and blob like tiny little zooplankton? Wobble, blob, wobble, blob, ooh, so planktony. Z is for zooplankton. Z is for zooplankton. Z is for zooplankton. Z says A, B, C, come along with me. Learning through the land and sea. From the green, green forest to the deep blue sea. Learn with Tipi the seed. That's me! Can you find somewhere in Aotearoa where one of today's animals lives? Maybe a beach, a river, a harbour, or even your local wildlife reserve. Remember, good explorers always look carefully and leave nature just as they found it. A, B, C, come along with me.